kurya, kurya,
to eat,
kunywa, kunywa,
to drink,
guteka, guteka,
to cook,
kuba, kuba,
to be,
kugira, kugira,
to have,
gukora, gukora,
to do,
kugenda, kugenda,
to go,
kugaruka, kugaruka,
to come,
kugura, kugura,
to buy,
kugurisha, kugurisha,
to sell,
gukunda, gukunda,
to love,
kwanga, kwanga,
to hate,
gutanga, gutanga,
to give,
kwakira, kwakira,
to receive,
kwishyura, kwishyura,
to pay,
kuvuga, kuvuga,
to speak,
gusuhuza, gusuhuza,
to greet,
gusezera, gusezera,
to give farewell,
kuririmba, kuririmba,
to sing,
kuganira, kuganira,
to talk,
kwicara, kwicara,
to sit,
haguruka, haguruka,
stand up,
guhumeka, guhumeka,
to breathe,
guseka, guseka,
to laugh,
kumwenyura, kumwenyura,
to smile,
kwitabira, kwitabira,
to attend,
kurakara, kurakara,
to be sad,
kwishima, kwishima,
to be happy,
vuba, vuba,
quickly,
kurangiza, kurangiza,
to finish,
gutangira, gutangira,
to start,
kubitsa, kubitsa,
to deposit,
kubikuza, kubikuza,
to withdraw,
kurira, kurira,
to cry,
kugera, kugera,
to arrive,
kubabarira, kubabarira,
to forgive,
kwibuka, kwibuka,
to remember,
kwibagirwa, kwibagirwa,
to forget,
kwibutsa, kwibutsa,
to remind,
gusinzira, gusinzira,
to sleep,
gutegereza, gutegereza,
to wait,
guciririkanywa, guciririkanywa,
to bargain,
kwigisha, kwigisha,
to teach,
kwiga, kwiga,
to study,
umwarimu, umwarimu,
a teacher,
umunyeshuri, umunyeshuri,
a student,
gusura, gusura,
to visit,
gutwara imodoka, gutwara imodoka,
to drive a car,
ikibuga cy'indege, ikibuga cy'indege,
the airport,
umuhanda, umuhanda,
street,
guhagarara, guhagarara,
to stop,
amacumbi, amacumbi,
guest house,
amafaranga, amafaranga,
money,
ibiryo, ibiryo,
food,
ibinyobwa, ibinyobwa,
drinks,
ryari, ryari,
when,
kuguma ahantu, kuguma ahantu,
to stay somewhere,
yego, yego,
yes,
oya, oya,
no,
umunyamahanga, umunyamahanga,
a foreigner,
uyu munsi, uyu munsi,
today,
icyongereza, icyongereza,
English,
hano, hano,
here,
hariya, hariya,
over there,
hehe, hehe,
where,
kumenya, kumenya,
to know,
kugenda gahoro, kugenda gahoro,
going slowly,
kugenda vuba, kugenda vuba,
going fast,
umuryango, umuryango,
family,
gutekereza, gutekereza,
to think,
kubaza, kubaza,
to ask,
kuvuga gahoro, kuvuga gahoro,
to speak slowly,
ihangane, ihangane,
sorry,
kunanirwa, kunanirwa,
to be tired,
kwibaza, kwibaza,
to wonder yourself,
kuzana, kuzana,
to bring,
gufata, gufata,
to take,
kohereza, kohereza,
to send,
guhamagara, guhamagara,
to call,
kumva, kumva,
to hear,
gusubiramo, gusubiramo,
to repeat,
gukumbura, gukumbura,
to miss,
guhura, guhura,
to meet,
gukoresha, gukoresha,
to use,
kugerageza, kugerageza,
to try,
gutembera, gutembera,
to travel,
kubyuka, kubyuka,
to wake up,
gufasha, gufasha,
to help,
gukenera, gukenera,
need,
gushaka, gushaka,
to want,
guhindura, guhindura,
to change,
gufungura, gufungura,
to open,
gupfa, gupfa,
to die,
ninde, ninde,
who,
kubera iki, kubera iki,
why,
amazi, amazi,
water,
kubangamira, kubangamira,
to disturb,
kubyina, kubyina,
to dance,
injira, injira,
coming,
gusangira, gusangira,
to share,